Day 1. The bird begins with nothing, slowly building a nest, piece by piece. By days 14 to 26, she lays her precious eggs, protecting them in her tiny home. From days 26 to 37, she patiently keeps them warm, never leaving their side. Then comes days 38 to 59. The eggs hatch and the mother feeds her babies until they're strong enough to grow. Nature's patience is powerful. If you enjoy stories like this, subscribe to stay updated.